Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guards Corps says it has seized 2 Greek oil tankers in the Persian Gulf. The vessels were seized a day after Athens assisted the United States in seizing an Iranian oil tanker over alleged sanctions violations. Iran now has released footage of the Revolutionary Guards storming the 2 Greek oil tankers in the Gulf in apparent retaliation against Greece's seizure of Iranian crude oil cargo. Armed Revolutionary Guards are seen landing by Navy helicopters on the Greek-flagged ship Delta Poseidon, which was sailing in international waters 22 nautical miles off the coast of Iran. Armed men then captured the ship's crew, including 2 Greek citizens, the Greek Foreign Ministry said. On Saturday, Tehran said that the crew of 2 Greek oil tankers that have been seized have not been detained and are all in good health. The crew of the 2 Greek tankers have not been arrested, and all crew members are in good health and are being protected and provided with necessary services while on board their ships, the country's ports and maritime organization said in a statement carried by state media. The 2 vessels, Delta Poseidon and Prudent Warrior, both sailing under the Greek flag, were stormed by Iran's Revolutionary Guards over unspecified maritime violations, the body said. The seizure of the 2 tankers was in apparent retaliation for the confiscation last month by Greece of an Iranian oil tanker, Lana, held off the Greek coast on behalf of the United States. The ships are both Suezmaxes, a term for the largest ships that can traverse the Suez Canal, and had just come from Iraq's Basra oil terminal, loaded with crude, according to tracking data from marinetraffic.com. Hours after Friday's incident, Greece said the crew of both ships, 44 people between them, were being held captive after Iranian Navy helicopters landed gunmen on the 2 tankers. Athens said the seizure was tantamount to acts of piracy, demanded the immediate release of the crews, and called for the ships to be allowed to continue their journey. Greece has warned oil tankers and other vessels flying the country's flag to avoid sea waters close to Iran. Ioannis Plakaiotakis, Greece's shipping minister, told the Financial Times he had issued a strong recommendation to Greece-flagged vessels to avoid all sea waters under Iran's jurisdiction in a move that had the potential to destabilize tanker markets at a time when oil prices were already at the highest level in a decade. Greece is a shipping powerhouse with almost a quarter of all oil supertankers sailing under its flag. The Strait of Hormuz, which separates Iran from the Gulf states, is just 21 miles wide at its narrowest point and accounts for about a third of all seaborne global oil trade daily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.